Hey, good afternoon. This is Kevin Bees, and I am coming to you from the Apple Store here in Amsterdam. And I want to do a very quick Facebook Live with you today, just about something I've just experienced in the store. I mean, Apple, it's a great product, we all know it, but I want to talk to you today particularly about the idea of features versus benefits when it comes to selling a product or service. So features versus benefits. Now, why is this so important? If you understand the difference of this and use this in your sales technique, it will mean the difference between a sale or no sale. Or in the case of today, it will mean a difference between someone spending more money with you on a better quality product or on your higher value products than lower products. Now, what actually happened here in the store today? I was here in the store looking at, I don't know if I can even line that right, iPhones. And I was asking the gentleman for some assistance. Like, there's several different versions here. There's a 7, there's an 8, there's a 10, there's a 10XS or something else. I don't even know what they all are. And because there were so many different items, I wanted to just ask for some information. Well, what's the difference between the different phones, and why should I buy one over another? And the first salesperson I spoke to, he spent a lot of time talking to me about the features. He told me that, hey, Kevin, this one has, a A11 Bionic chip, and this one has an A12 chip. I have no idea what that means. And then he spoke about, hey, well, this one, it also has a 401 PPI, and the other one has a 326 PPI. And then he also went on to tell me about, hey, this one has, 1.2 megapixels on a digital zoom, and this one has a 1.2 megapixels on an optical zoom. I had no idea. It didn't really help me understand because they were features, the features of the phone. Now, if I was a technical person, maybe it would have made sense to me, but it really didn't. So I asked the next guy, and I asked him to explain. He said, Kevin, here's what you need to know. This phone here, that chip means it's got more processing power. It means it's going to be faster for you to browse around on the internet. It's going to process things a lot quicker. This one here, because it has the optical zoom, it means that you're going to get better quality pictures. When you blow up the picture, it's not going to get all pixelated. Okay, so he spoke to me in the benefits. What is it going to mean to me when I have that product? It's going to mean that actually I get a better experience, it looks better, it feels better, as opposed to the features. So in your business and in your sales process, how often are you talking in features and how often are you talking in benefits? And my encouragement to you today is have a think about that, even in your marketing language as well. Where can you sprinkle more benefits into your explanation? And benefits being the end thing that is going to make a difference to that customer. If you're in any doubt when you read your marketing material, as you read through it, just ask yourself the question, and that means, or what does that mean? So if I look down here and it said, hey, I have an A11 chip, which means, it means there's going to be a faster processing power. It's going to be a better user experience because it can go faster. Okay, I think that's probably everything I need to cover off today. So goodbye from Apple in Amsterdam, and I look forward to catching you tomorrow. Have a great day.